Did you know you don't need to own an Xbox to play the Xbox? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now, before we get started, you do need an Amazon Fire Stick 4K or an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and they both need to be 2023 or later. If you have an earlier version, the Xbox will not play on them, so you do need these type of Fire Sticks. If you do, you're in luck. And to set it up, you first want to go to the search box here and search out for Xbox. And this app here is what you want, the big green one. You want to go into it, select get, and let's start downloading. Once it's downloaded, we can select open. Now, many people will need to update the Fire Stick like I do here. You can wait for it to download and select update now here, and it'll take you straight to the update page. And then you want your Fire Stick to update. I'll speed through this process. Once it's updated, we can go to the very end here, these three little squares and a plus, and we can find the Xbox here, and let's add it to the favourite bar by pressing the three little lines on our remote and selecting move, and move it to the top here to our favourite bar. Now whenever we press the home button, it'll be here. Now let's launch the Xbox. When you first launch, you'll have the option to sign in or sign up, or you can just look at the games. So let's select see the games. And as you can see here, there's plenty of games to play. Now what you want to do once you're happy and you think this is well worth trying out, you can come to the top here and select this little person icon, and we can sign in. Now here you want to go through the sign in process. I'll speed this up. Next, once you've signed in, you want to come to the little controller icon in the top right hand corner here, and you can select connect my controller. Then let's select next. Then you can select the permissions. Now you can choose your controller. You can play with an Xbox or a PlayStation control pad. I have an Xbox, so I'll select that. It tells you how to pair it here, so press the button on the Xbox, then press pair, and it'll start searching for the controller. Once it's paired, it'll say we found these controllers. Select it, and there you go, your controller's paired. Now we can play any of these games if you have an Xbox Game Pass. Now if you try and quit, it'll tell you that you can play Fortnite for free. So I'll go, sure, let me play it. And we can play it like this. I'll skip through till the game starts playing. And as you can see, the game plays perfectly. I see no lagging or anything like that. Now when you do try quitting out, this pop-up should come up and it'll say try Game Pass. And you can try it for 14 days for $1, or £1 if you're in the UK, or $1 if you're in the US. And it's well worth trying it out if you don't have a Game Pass subscription. I think it worked perfectly well, and it's well worth trying out if you're into games. Let us know how you find it if you set it up. Do you find any lag or anything like that? I personally didn't, but let us know in the comments below if you'll be adding it to your Fire Stick. I hope this video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.